Good afternoon, traders. Second here. I have family in today, and my younger son is running a fever. So I'm not going to be able to do our normally scheduled programming, but I didn't want to leave you high and dry. So I wanted to take a look at what's going on out there. I'm not going to be looking for any new trades today. I did that earlier on this morning. The only one that even struck my chord was PII 419, 95 calls. I just took a look at it like right now, and it's over $1 wide on liquidity, which is what I mentioned. Like liquidity was iffy. It's got enough here. The extrinsic value was decent. The delta is at 74, so it's right in line. But like it just liquidity is not there, so I'm not going to do it now. Let's take a look at the 3 trades we have on STLD, which is like doing awesome today. Selling a strength at G26. It's currently at. Pop all 3 of these open. Oh, we are out of ITT. By the way, following the plan, an ITT saved us a buttload of money. $2 at that point. That has gone down further. So definitely out of that. Let's go to STLD real quick, like I mentioned. So my son Colin would like to say hi. Today is his 12th birthday. Say hi, Colin. Come over here.
To who?
The internets. Say hi. Today is Colin's 12th birthday.
Hi.
So it's exciting. I hear the squirrels are going nuts in our house right now.
We're definitely in an office building. Definitely.
Elliot, you want to say hi? Elliot was running a fever this morning, so Elliot is just being a little bit weak. Say hi. Oh,
hi.
Elliot's wearing a green shirt, and so he disappears into the background. That's pretty funny. All right, let me wrap up here, boys.
Okay.
I'll be done. Oh, Nathan is saying happy birthday to you, Colin.
Thank you.
That's super sweet, Nathan. Thanks for that.
We're gonna go to GameStop.
Yes, we're going to GameStop. All right, I'll close the door. I'll be out in like a minute and a half. Thank you. All right, back to business. So STLD, my exit point is going to be G25. If you look up here on this line right here, it'll tell you the heat map point. Heat map point is showing G25. My exit point was not G25, it was G26 right there. So because of that, I don't want to take this off, right? I want to let that play out as long as I can. And so STLD is looking awesome. And like I mentioned a couple of weeks ago or so, like this is what you want to see. You know, we've had several trades that, you know, closed below yesterday's low. And so we got out, but that's not what happens on a beautiful trend like that. So you just let them run while they can. So STLD stays on. Let's go next to GM. GM, we rolled up on Thursday. We rolled up those to the 43.5 calls. That one looks fine as well. It's not ready to roll up again. Selling to strength at G29 point. Today it's at, and again, we're looking at this line here. It's at G27. So not willing to take that off right now. Going to leave that one on so that stays. Like I say, no reason to get out. That's my selling to strength point. So we're going to let that run. And then Ori, we put this one on Thursday. Not doing a whole lot since the point we got in, but it's not to an exit point. I don't anticipate it turning around. Granted, we've still got 3 hours for the market to be open, but I'm not going to sit here and babysit it all day. So my decision is I'm going to keep it on. I don't have a reason not to take it off. My selling to strength point is at G21. Zoom in real quick. So we got in at G16. So I just want to take 2 seconds to go over why I get out on these selling to strength points. I have stop out points for when it turns around, but when it's going, right, we want it to go. And then when it's reached a too greedy point, right, when the greed is over greedy, that's where I like to get out. So if it's already past G15, which like I was saying, Ori is at G16, then I go 5 points higher. And that's been the same for all the other ones as well. So that stays on because it's at G. So I got in at G16. Today is just G18. So at G21, I'll get out, which is what I mentioned right there. So I didn't want to leave you high and dry. Hope you all have a fantastic Monday. Tomorrow should be regularly scheduled programs, and we'll talk to you then. Have a great day. Talk soon.